Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome back to the channel. Today is a huge day. We are actually gonna start writing our first Python program. So you might be thinking that Python, will it be hard? But let me tell you that it is gonna be very simple. You will feel that you are actually writing a English sentences while coding Python. Alright, so to get started with this today's video, let me take you to the computer screen and show you how to write the first Python program. Let's go. So guys, if you have installed Python, then you might have installed IDLE too. So let me open IDLE, go to this window, start window and search for IDLE and hit enter. This IDLE comes along with Python when you install it. And also this is a very simple uh, editor, we can say, that you can use to write simple programs, not advanced, but yeah, simple. So this is option 1 to get started with the Python program. So here we will say print hello world and hit enter. You can see it printed hello world, right? So let me explain you what is this. This print actually is a command in Python to tell a computer that whatever message I write in this parenthesis should be printed as it is over here. Now don't worry about this backslash. I by mistake pressed it from my keyboard. So that's not a glitch. When you see, you will just simply see hello world message over here when you type it. Okay, now here, in order to print a message, you first have to write this print keyword, do parenthesis, and inside that parenthesis you have to pass single or double quotation. Okay, so you can also print any message. Let's write it, print single quotes. Now I'm using single quotes and I'll say hello world. Okay, hit enter and you can see hello world is printed as it is. Now here I have shown you using this IDL. Now let me open VS Code. So first I will be creating a folder. So new folder and I'll say Python 26 2026 tutorial. Okay, now I will bring that folder over here. It's going to be CMD, and if you write CMD and press enter, this will open command prompt in the location where you have actually typed CMD. Okay, so in our case it's desktop slash Python 2026 tutorial, and here I will say code space dot, then it will open VS Code in a same folder, and the folder is opened in the VS Code now. Alright, so here I will create a file which is going to be first 0001 underscore first underscore program dot py. Okay, now here I can say print double quotes hello world, bad hello world. Yeah, save this. Now here there are two ways to actually run the Python program. First is that using command line. So here if I go ahead and say Python space a folder name which is 001, and if I press tab over here, it will automatically complete the file name for us. Okay, and if I will go ahead and hit enter, you can see it gave us hello world, right, as we typed our command over here. Okay, and the second way is simple. Go ahead and click on this button and it will run the program for you. So yeah, this is it for today's video guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and in next video we are going to see one more amazing topic. So I'll see you there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.